Hello student, welcome to the class of English. Our school is now reopened and we are meeting face to face, but the students who still are not coming to the school, for them here I am sending lesson through the virtual class. That is one video you will going to get today, and as well as some of the question answer. This is the video is of unit number 9, because we have already completed till unit 8. Now we are entering in unit number 9. Here also we are going to see two lessons. One lesson prose, that is a bicycle in good repair, and another is a poem. Here bicycle in a good repair, this lesson is also going to divide by me in two parts. Today you are going to get part 1 and the explanation of that part 1, video of that explanation, and as well as the answer of that part 1. Okay, so here before I start the lesson, I am going to read the introduction. If you wish to go on a long bicycle ride, the bicycle should be in good condition. If possible, an expert mechanic should overhaul it. But what happens if the machine has a wheel of its own and the mechanic knows next to nothing? Here we can say a person is writer is trying to use a figure of speech known as a personification. Means here cycle behaves like a writer has think and written the narrate the story in such a way that a cycle is behave like a living things. Here nice fight is there between bicycle and author's friend, who consider himself as an expert mechanic of a bicycle. So it is a funny humorous lesson. Funny part will come in the second part. Today we are going to see first part. Okay, a bicycle in good repair. A man I knew proposed one evening we should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day, and I agreed. I got up early. For me, I made an effort and was pleased with myself. He came half an hour late. I was waiting for him in the garden. It was a lovely day. He said, "That's a good looking machine of yours. How does it runs?" Now listen to the first paragraph. Here one word is there, proposed. What is mean by proposed? This is what is one of the what is a proposal, and proposal means to put some suggestion. Here also propose mean to put forward a suggestion for the consideration by the others. That is called proposed. Here writer's friend, author's friend proposed one evening to writer that we will go on a long bicycle ride, and the thing is that for going on a long bicycle ride, the machine is in good, must be in good in condition. Here writer's machine or bicycle is in good condition, so he agreed with him, and for that he has to wake up early. So I got up early. For me, I made an effort. See here, by this line we can come to know that writer is late riser. That is why he said that for me, I made an effort. He has to put an effort to wake up early. And as he is able to wake up early, he was pleased with, Miss Writer was pleased with himself. So here he has said, and I was pleased with myself. But writer's friend came half an hour late. Writer was waiting for him in the garden, and it was, writer said that it was a lovely day. When friend came, he said that is a good looking machine of yours. Means pointing out to the bicycle, the friend said that this machine looks good. Means it is in nice and condition. Then he asked, how does it run? Now ahead. Oh, like most of them, I answered, easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffly after lunch. Here stiffly meaning is not given to you, okay, but stiffly means we can say uncomfortable. what happened? Same, it is very natural that if you go on a riding on a bicycle, after some time the machine also, some of the parts may going to get some, because of the friction, the speed of the machine become less, as well as the person also become tired. So what he said, writer replied that, oh, like most of them, easily enough in the morning, means in morning it is very comfortable to write, goes a little stiffly after lunch. After lunchtime, it becomes little difficult or uncomfortable to ride on it. Now, the funny thing is started. He caught hold of it by, by the front wheel and the fork and shook it violently. I said, don't do that, you will hurt it. So what happened? As the writer said, that bicycle becomes somewhat stiffly after the lunch time. So he caught the bicycle from the front, caught its front wheel and fork and shook violently. अगला पहिया जो होता है ना, उसको पकड़ के जोर से हिलाया, violently. Violently means in a very strong और vigorous manner. तो जोर से हिलाया. तो फिर इसे देखकर राइटर को थोड़ा बुरा लगा. सो ही सेड, राइटर सेड दैट डोंट डू दैट, ऐसा मत करो, यू विल हर्ट इट, तुम उसे कुछ नुकसान पहुंचाओगे, यू विल हर्ट इट. I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. Besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. I felt much as I should had he started waking my dog. So what is the feeling? What the author felt that he has written over here? कि भाई I don't see why he should shake it. कोई रीजन नहीं था. There is no reason to shake the front wheel. And it had not done anything to him. उसने कोई खराब नहीं किया था, कुछ उसको मारा नहीं था, कुछ उसको गिराया नहीं था, या चलने में कुछ टफ नहीं थी, बस जैसे ही कुछ बोला उठा लिया, पैर हिलाने लगा. So writer said that I did not see why he shook it, and then he said that if he wanted to shaking it, I was the proper person to shake it, because writer was the master of the bicycle, owner of the bicycle. He has a right to shake any part or to do anything to his bicycle. The writer's friend has no right to do that. So writer said that I am the right person to shake it. And उसको राइटर को कैसा लगा इसको शेकिंग करता हुआ देखकर? I felt much as I should he had started waking my dog. जैसे मान लो अपना कोई पालतू कुत्ते को जिसके साथ अपना अफेक्शनेट होता है, we love. Here writer also has love और affection towards his machine, his bicycle. तो ऐसा लगा कि मान लो वो मार रहा है, जैसे अपने पेट को, कुत्ते को कोई मार रहा है, और जो हमको फीलिंग्स होता है, दर्द होता है, ऐसा दर्द राइटर को महसूस हुआ. हियर वेकिंग मीन्स बीटिंग और स्ट्राइकिंग. ही सेड दिस फ्रंट व्हील वॉबल्स. नाउ मीनिंग ऑफ वॉबल इज गिवन, मूव अनस्टेडीली फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड. कभी ऐसा होता है कि मान लो साइकिल में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, आप सब साइकिल चलाते होंगे, तो कभी बहुत साल चलने के बाद या तो 2-4 महीना कभी मान लो आप चलाने में सही पर्सन नहीं है, तो खड्डे बड्डे में डालते हो तो ऐसा होता है कि आगे का व्हील जो थोड़ा शेकिंग करने लगता है साइड टू साइड. दैट इज कॉल्ड वॉबल्स. ही सेड दिस फ्रंट व्हील वॉबल्स. आई सेड इट डजंट इफ यू डोंट वॉबल इट. इट डिडंट वॉबल. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट नथिंग वर्थ कॉलिंग अ वॉबल. So what the writer replied, that when the friend said that the front wheel is wobble, the writer said no, it doesn't wobble at all, and as a matter of fact nothing worth calling a wobble. इसको हिलता ऐसा हम कह ही नहीं सकते. Just like he replied to him. He said, the writer's friend is very strong enough. He said, this is dangerous. Have you got a hammer? I ought to have been firm, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. I went to the tool shed to see what I could find. When I come back, he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twiddling it round between his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. देखो क्या हालत हुई है, फोटो में तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ. When the writer returned, author returned with a hammer and the tools in his hand. See, he has removed the or unfixed the front wheel from the fork. Keep front wheel is between his leg, and he tried to twiddling it with the finger. Okay. Now here I am going to explain you. So when writer said that it is not wobbling at all, then also writer's friend said that okay, it's a it is wobbling and this is dangerous. Wobbling of a wheel is dangerous. You have you got a hammer? He asked for the hammer. अभी राइटर ने सोचा कि मुझे थोड़ा फॉर्म मजबूत बनने की ज़रूरत थी कि मैं उसको मना कर दूं कि भाई उसको कुछ परेशानी नहीं है, उसमें कोई ट्रबल नहीं है बाइसिकल में. सो ही सेड दैट आई वॉट टू हैव बीन फॉर्म, मुझे थोड़ा फॉर्म बनने की ज़रूरत थी. बट आई थॉट दैट परहैप्स ही रियली डिड नो समथिंग अबाउट द बिजनेस. लेकिन मैंने सोचा कि शायद उसको इसके बारे में, साइकिल रिपेयरिंग के बारे में कुछ पता है. सो आई वेंट टू द टूल शेड to see what I could find. Tool shed में यदि कोई tool shed means so the place where we keep the tools, that is called tool shed. So when the writer is written, I have shown you the picture what happened, that he was sitting on the ground, the front wheel between his legs, he was playing with it, twiddling it round. Twiddling का मतलब देखो turning दिया है, turning it around between his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. He said, it looks to me as if the bearing were all wrong. Remnant meaning given the remaining parts of the thing. He said, it looks to me as if the bearings all wrong. What he said, writer's author's friend, that bearings are wrong. You know what is mean by bearing, a particular type of a machine part in which some small parts are there, small iron balls, and grease is there, so it can function smoothly when the things can rotate on it nicely. That is called bearing. I said, don't you trouble about anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let us put it back and get up. So writer what advise that भाई तुम्हें ज़्यादा परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Don't you trouble about it anymore. Please stop it now. You will make yourself tired. तुम writer said in some soft word that you will make yourself tired. तुम अपने आप को थका दोगे. So एक काम करते हैं, let us put it back and get up. इसको वापस लगा देते फ्रंट व्हील को. Here bearings meaning given, that is ball bearing. Now here he said, we may as well see what is the matter with it. Now it is out. He talked as it had dropped out by accident. What the friend of the author said that we may as well see what is matter with it. इसमें क्या परेशानी देख लेते. What is matter with it? Now it is out. अब ये निकल तो गया, ये अलग तो हो ही गया. Now it is out. So let us see what is problem with it. He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. जैसे फ्रंट व्हील अपनी तरह से बाहर निकल गया हो कुछ खराबी के कारण, इस तरह से उसने बताया. You know that front wheel is unfixed by that particular person only, writer's friend only. And now he said that as the wheel is now out, it is free. Let us see what's wrong with it. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere and out rolled all over the path some dozens of so little balls. So what happened? Before the writer could stop him, he unscrewed something, means he unfixed something from somewhere, and because of this, what happened? All the dozen of the small balls roll out on the path. That balls, you know, that are there in the gear, what we can say bearings, that all bearings come out and roll out over. Catch them, he shouted, catch them. We must not lose any of them. He was quite excited about them. So now when the small balls started rolling out, he, with excitement, he shouted that catch them, means उसको सबको इकट्ठा कर लो, पकड़ लो. वी मस्ट नॉट लूज एनी ऑफ देम, इसमें से एक भी लॉस्ट होना चाहिए नहीं, अदरवाइज इट विल बिकम समवॉट प्रॉब्लमेटिक. We grovelled round for half an hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got them all, because if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. Now here some words. First of all, let me tell you that is grovelled is there. Now grovelled is crawled on the ground. तुम्हें पता है कि जैसे मान लो कोई चीज़ तुम लोग मान लो खेल रहे हो घर में, कोई खिलौना या तो कोई स्मॉल बॉल्स यदि छूट कर हाथ से जाता है, या तो पेन भी मान लो लिखते तो दूर जाती है, तो तुम लोग कैसे चलते हो? सीधे खड़े होकर चल कर जाते हो उसके पास? नहीं ना, हम लोग सीधे चार पैर पर हो जाते हैं. दैट और क्राउलिंग. हाँ, क्राउल्ड मीन्स टू वॉक ऑन बेली एंड द एल्बो, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्राउलिंग. हियर as the all balls were free and run here and there, so the men started catch them, and to catch them quickly we grovelled round for half an hour. The writer said that for half an hour they grovelled here and there, because it is small things, so they have to be very close to the ground. So we grovelled round for half an hour and found 16. How many balls they got? 16. Then the writer's friend said that he hoped that they had got all of them, because if anyone is missing, then it would make a serious difference to the machine. And then what he did, I put them for safety in my hat. उसने अपनी हेट में उसको रख दिया. And it was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. He said that it was not a sensible thing to put the balls in the hat, or to unfix, or to do something wrong with the bearings. Now what happened after this, that we will see in the second part in the next time when we meet. But so welcome back. Here some mistake is happened when you get the video, that time also that something is happened, so it is break in between. Because my finger touched somewhere else. Now here nothing more to see in this first part. Here only I am going to tell you that with this I am going to send you the answer of this comprehension one. First one, in the first two answer question you have to pick out the correct option. I got up early for me, it implies that what is the answer? That he was a late riser. Then the bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and little stiffy after lunch. This remark is humorous, inaccurate, sarcastic, enjoyable, or meaningless. What is it is better we can say humorous, which make us laugh. That how a machine could be goes easily enough in the morning and little stiffly after lunch. Okay. Then another two answer that I am going to send you with the PDF. So dear friend, what this listen to the video very well, because as you are not coming to the school, then read the lesson and write down the question answer in your CW and try to learn it. Till the time, thank you. We will going to meet in the second period, and then we will see the other things. In the second part we will go with how the machine, the bicycle, behave with the friend, the author's friend who want to repair it, and what type of fights are there between them two. That all interesting part we'll see in the next part, in the next time. Till the time, goodbye, thank you.